Welcome. Today we'll learn about linear search, the simplest search algorithm. Linear search has three key characteristics. First, it's simple and straightforward. Second, it works on unsorted arrays. And third, it checks each element one by one. Linear search has a time complexity of O of n. This means in the worst case, we check every element. For example, searching through 1 million elements. Linear search may need up to 1 million steps in the worst case. Now let's see how it works with a practical example. Let's find the number 38 in an unsorted array. Here's our unsorted array with 11 elements. Notice they are not in any particular order. We start from the first element and check each one sequentially. The value at index 6 is 38, which equals our target. We found it. Success! We found 38 in 7 steps. We found the target in 7 steps. In the worst case, for 11 elements, we might need 11 steps. This gives linear search a time complexity of O(n) and space complexity of O of 1. And that's linear search. It's simple and works on any array. But for large datasets, binary search is much faster if the data is sorted. Thank you for watching.